Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to unsubscribe from an email on Gmail. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you've subscribed to a site that sends lots of emails like promotions or newsletters and your inbox is getting cluttered on Gmail, then you can use the unsubscribe link to stop getting these unwanted emails. Go open a web browser and log into your Gmail account. You can also do this with your Gmail application on your smartphone as well. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it on your PC. So once you open up a web browser, go to mail.google.com and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're into your Gmail inbox page, open up an email from a sender that you would like to unsubscribe from. Let me select this first email right here. Click on the email. Now from this page, scroll all the way down and at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see a link that says unsubscribe highlighted in blue. Click it on. Now enter your email address over here and click on unsubscribe. And that way, you can get rid of an email that you no longer want to hear from and prevent your inbox from getting cluttered unnecessarily. Remember that it may take a few days for an email to stop after you unsubscribe. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.